Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. Today, I wanted to share a very unique Ayurvedic skincare routine that will help get rid of all blemishes. This is a two-step skincare routine. The first step is a very unique and effective Ayurvedic cleanser. The second step is a healing Ayurvedic face pack with a unique combination of herbs. For both the steps, we need cooked rice water. To make creamy rice water, boil rice with more water than you would normally add. Don't add salt. Once the rice is cooked, strain out the water. Now take 2 small licorice roots, also called as mulethi in Hindi, and a tablespoon of white turmeric roots in a mortar and pestle. Pound to break them. Add them to the rice water. I have around a cup of rice water in the bowl. Boil in medium flame. Once it starts boiling, reduce the flame even more and continue cooking. The mixture will thicken and the color of the water will change to light yellow color, indicating that the water is infused with the herbs. Now remove from the fire. Strain to get smooth liquid. I prefer dried roots as we get a smooth liquid, but you can use the powders too. This Ayurvedic cleanser deep cleans the pores and has wonderful antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. White turmeric will cleanse the skin well without staining the skin. Licorice will help fade scars and blemishes very well. To use, take a piece of cotton, dip it in the mixture and wipe it all over the face to remove dirt and grime. This will store well in the fridge for about a week. For the second step, take a tablespoon of manjista powder and red sandalwood powder in a bowl. Add in rice water. Mix well. Manjista, whose botanical name is Rubia cordifolia, is a very important skincare herb. We use it for treating acne, rashes, itching and inflammation. Red sandalwood helps reduce blemishes very effectively. To use, after cleansing, apply the pack all over the face and neck. Wait for it to dry and then wash it off. This routine can be used for all types of skin. If you're suffering from pigmentation, try using this routine every day, at least for 2 to 3 weeks regularly to see results. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information about herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.